Welcome. We are here to assist with your buying and selling needs. Have questions or would like to schedule a personal tour? Give us a call today at 706-863-1775. Gorgeous brick home with double car garage located in Euchee Creek on a private lot in a cul-de-sac. No HOA. This 4-bedroom 2-bathroom split floor plan features many upgrades to include a new 30-year architectural roof, installed January 2019, stainless steel appliances in a renovated kitchen, engineered hardwood floors and ceiling fans throughout. The back deck overlooks a spacious privacy-fenced backyard. Cozy up to the wood-burning fireplace in the great room that leads into the open formal dining room. The owner's suite includes a tray ceiling, large owner's bathroom that features porcelain tile flooring, large walk-in closet, separate toilet room and garden tub.